Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going through how to set up your demo account and your live account so you can start trading on your demo and so you can start your journey properly, your amazing journey of forex trading. All right. Now, what you need to do, you need to come to the broker that we use and that I recommend. Simply, very easy to use, straightforward. Right. It's called ICMarkets. Okay, I'll leave the link below this video so you can just click it and have access to directly to the website. Now when you come to the website, what you need to actually do, you need to go to try a free demo. All right, click onto try a free demo, then this page is going to open, right? And all you need to do is fill in your details, because I already have an account. So all I'm going to do is just to pretend, just say this, I'll just make it up, something up, and I'll just put an email. So you make sure you put your correct email, all right, because you will need it. Then in here you just make up a phone number. Let's say just going to make up something. Something like that, right? I just made up a number, but make sure you put your correct number and your correct email. This is just a tutorial as an example, right? And what you do, you acknowledge, all right? You acknowledge this box. After you fill in all your details, double check once again. Fantastic. Your name, your email, make sure it's correct. And what you do, you press register, right? And when you press register, it's going to bring up another window. Fantastic. And now this is where you need to put your demo account settings, right? Because we use the app that you should have already downloaded, which is called MetaTrader 4. So when it comes to the trading platform, you leave it as it is, MT4. Account type, you leave it as a row spread. You'll get to understand more what this is once you start your videos, your learning, right? Now your currency, you put it to your currency base where you live in at the moment. If you live in UK, you definitely want to select Great British Pound. The leverage, you leave it as 1 to 500. You'll get to know more also once you start your videos. And your initial deposit, I would say 1,000. This is just a demo account for you to play around. A demo account is real market conditions, but just fake money for you to play around, right? So 1,000 is enough money for you to play around and to test, for you really to see what you're getting yourself into, practice before you put real money, right? So this is your demo account set, right? Make sure you have the same configurations that I have here, all right? Then just select proceed. When you select proceed now, it's going to ask you if you want to open a live account now. I normally do this process straight away so you can just get it out of the way, so you don't need to, once you want to go live, everything's already there. All you need just to connect with your MetaTrader 4, right? So I just do it straight away. So once this window pops, go ahead and fill it in, get it out of the way, right? You fill in all your details, your date of birth. So I'll just make it up, something like that. An address, I'll just make it up like this, something like this. City, I'll put London. So I'm just making it up, guys. All right, I'm just making it up. State, province. Let's say same thing, London. Just make it up, right? Zip code, something like this. I'm just making it up, but make sure you fill in your right details, right? Then your phone number, you put everything. Now, when it comes to this bit, you need to, whatever details that you put here, you have to have a proof of address for it. So make sure that the address that you put it in, you actually have a proof of address, because you will need it to get your live account confirmed, right? Then you select go to next step. Now, it's going to ask you some financial information. So go ahead and fill it in for what really suits you, right? I'll just select any really, and employment status. For example, I would say employed. If you are unemployed, you put unemployed. So then you choose the industry, right? I'll put admin, right? Then trading experience. Most likely you don't have any experience, right? So you just put 0. That's not a problem. It's just for them to know, right? And once you fill in these details, then it's going to take to another page. Now remember, as same as the demo account, down here when it comes to the trading platform, MT4, right? Make sure you select MT4. When it comes to account-based currency, depending where you are, if you are in the UK, GBP, right? Account type, then you select row spread, right? Like I said, you'll learn more about this once you start your trading video. And here you can just put any security question. Let's say, what's your imagine name? Let me put Lisbon, right? Something like that. Just making it up. So I'm just showing you guys the process, how to walk you through. And once you guys do that, just sign the declaration. Make sure this bit is very important that you get it right. Okay, the same thing that I have there, and just submit. And once you submit, it will show you your client area, right? So this is your broker. Now, to uh, some people they ask them for their proof of address and proof of ID. To some people, they just accept it straight away. So if this page comes up to you, all you need to do, go ahead and get like a picture of your ID. You can choose to do this process on your phone, because on your phone you can go directly to your gallery, or if you have the picture on your laptop, go ahead and do it. So it doesn't matter where you're doing this process, just go ahead and complete it, right? So you need to browse and find your ID. This first bit is for your ID. Just the front bit. It can be a driving license, a provisional, or really a real one, doesn't matter. A proof of ID or your passport. Just the front bit, nice and clear, so they can read. And for proof of residence, you want to use your bank statement. Bank statement is the best one. Bank statement or any utility bill, and just upload it. And within a day, they'll reply to you, because they have to make sure that who you are, right? Because you open in a live account, right? Fantastic. So this is all you have to do once this process uh, is completed, right? Now, if you go into your email, you should have received 3 emails by now. Once you get to this step here, if you check your email, you have 3 emails there. For example,